Suzanne Martin, Social Implications of Medical Issues. Sociology 313, 82414. The biopsychosocial model is a general model or approach positing that biological, psychological, and social factors all play a significant role in human functioning in the context of disease or illness. Um, Meaning that not just one thing in a person's environment may be the cause of whatever illness or disease a person has, that there are other factors that need to be looked into: the psychological side, the social side, and the biological side as well. The term biopsychosocial refers to something that relates to or is concerned with biology or biological, psychological, and social aspects, um, in contrast to a strictly biomedical aspect of the disease. So they're looking at more than one problem, whereas the biomedicals looking at what the problem is versus trying to fix everything around it. Um, there's contributing factors to it, where the person lives, what kind of symptoms they're having, their mental health history, their socioeconomical economic history. That's really important. Where they live, their religion, are they married, um, their cultural background, uh, their strengths and weaknesses. There's just various things that attribute to the complex phenomena or events to cause all these multiple things wrong or diseases wrong with this person. Um, Figures show that the interrelationship of fields of study that if they work together, if they can figure out maybe one thing that's wrong, that can fix the other thing that's wrong, that can fix the other thing. So it's basically a vicious circle. And if they can get one doctor to help with one aspect of it, instead of labeling someone as mentally ill or with whatever ailment they might have, there's different doctors coming in looking at different aspects of why it happened, where it happened, and how it happened, and how they can fix it. Person and environment, or PI. This method is an effective way to assess mental illness or ultimately to rule out mental illness. The environment someone lives in, his relationships and interactions are taken into consideration before the person is actually labeled mentally ill. Bronfenbrenner's ecological theory, published in 1979 by Urie Bronfenbrenner. This theory reflects the influence of several environmental systems in which an individual interacts. The microsystem, which is meaningful and sustained face-to-face interactions. Microsystems can comprise of parents, family, peer groups, neighbors. They all have direct impact on individual development. The mesosystem, which is relationships between two or more microsystems. The microsystems reinforce, contradict, or link the human development of the different relationships. The exosystems, environments and contexts that impact human development and are out of individuals' control. The macrosystem, larger cultural and social structure of the environment that shape human development. And the chronosystem, help psychologists to understand how profound events sometimes affect a person's development over time.